In the dawn of the 19th century, the world was still moved by muscle, wind, and steam. But deep inside the laboratories of Europe, a quiet revolution was beginning. A revolution that would soon give motion to machines, power to cities, and speed to human progress. This is the story of the motor, the invention that turned electricity into movement and forever changed the world. It all began in 1820, when the Danish scientist Hans Christian Ørsted made a shocking discovery. While demonstrating electricity to his students, he noticed something strange. A compass needle jumped every time current passed through a nearby wire. Electricity and magnetism, two forces once thought separate, were connected. This moment would spark a new science, electromagnetism, and inspire inventors to chase a bold dream to create motion from electricity itself. Only a year later, in 1821, a young English scientist named Michael Faraday transformed theory into reality. He built a simple device, a magnet placed in a dish of mercury, and a wire suspended above it. When electricity flowed, the wire began to spin around the magnet endlessly, beautifully. This was the world's first electric motor. Faraday had proven it. Electricity could be converted into continuous motion. A simple experiment, yet a turning point for human civilization. In the decades that followed, inventors across the globe worked to make Faraday's idea practical. In 1834, American blacksmith Thomas Davenport built the first working electric motor capable of driving a small machine. His creation was primitive, yet it proved that motors could do real work. By the late 1800s, giants like Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison refined the design, turning motors into the beating heart of the new industrial age. Tesla's alternating current motor would become the foundation of modern power systems, bringing electricity and movement to every corner of the world. The invention of the motor marked the beginning of an unstoppable transformation. From factories and locomotives to automobiles and home appliances, motors became the hidden muscle behind modern life. They powered machines that built our cities, transported our goods, and connected our continents. Without the motor, there would be no cars, no elevators, no electric tools, none of the motion that defines our world today. Today, motors are evolving once again. Silent, smart, and sustainable, they now drive electric cars, wind turbines, and even space exploration. The same principles discovered by Faraday 2 centuries ago continue to shape our future. From a spinning wire in a laboratory to the engines of progress itself, the motor remains humanity's ultimate symbol of movement and innovation. This was the invention of the motor, the force that put the world in motion. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more stories that shaped our modern world.